That's Elias. He invited me to be part of this moving forward, community-driven activation. And we are here at their kitchen. But before we work, let's go have some staff meal first. This is chicken and mushroom.
Yeah, if you want to take picture.
No. It's okay. I'm taking a video. This is, the beef, the steak, and the bistek. And where's the rice? Hey.
What's up?
How's it going? Would you like to have some rice?
Of course.
Okay, good. Jace, mabilis lang, kain muna daw. Kuya, how's the bistek?
That's nice.
It's good?
Yeah, really.
Kamusta yung bistek? Chef? Okay.
Very good. Very nice.
It's good, chef?
Which one? The chef's dish? This one?
Tastes like home?
Yeah.
I put butter because we have a French chef here. Most of the time, though, we overcook the meat.
Yeah.
We're at home.
These are good.
Yeah. You should show up there. Bulalo empanada. And then lechon manok. Ano nga pangalan mo ulit, kuya?
Roger.
Ha?
Roger.
Roger. Okay. So, ilang kilo na kanin yung sinayang natin?
How many kg
Rice?
rice?
30 kilo.
Yeah.
Okay, this is for 240.
240, yes.
240, and we have how many chickens?
Chicken is 65 kg.
65 kg. Kwento ko na lang sa inyo mamaya bakit namin ginagawa to. Day 2. We're cooking for a cause. For 240 displaced fellow F&B people na walang trabaho. Tanungin natin mamaya kung paano mag-sign up. Basta ito si Elias, yung may-ari ng catering company, niyaya niya ako to cook. And kumbaga, ang kailangan niya lang sa atin ay yung time natin, tapos siya na mag-provide ng ingredients. So, yeah, it's for a good cause, and they're gonna eat well tonight. Yung kitchen nila, Leia and I were talking kanina na ang ganda ng work culture nila dito. That was instilled by Chef Roland. Si Chef Roland, mamaya, turo ko siya sa inyo. Kung siya, Pinoy, pero pinanganak sa Paris, tapos lumaki sa UK. So yung pagka-chef niya, yung both. sabi ko nga kahapon sa isang chef niya na si Aaron. Sabi ko, hindi mo na kailangan pumunta ng Paris or ng UK. Ito no. Kasi yung ugali niya, yung galawan niya. Tapos, ang galing niya sa sauces, very French. Ang galing niya sa techniques, again, very French. And then, na-apply dito sa catering kitchen. So, ito nga, it's a catering company, pero yung approach nila, very restaurant. So, yung client talaga nila, fine dining, corporate, sa bahay. Pero every now and then, yun nga, they do this community work, which is great. And Elias, yung owner, mabait. Tapos, skin in the game. Parang, ito na talaga ang pinili niyang career, kumbaga. And again, all in siya. Yeah. Iba rin yung, kaya rin, alam mo yung mga iba na may pera, gusto magtayo ng restaurant or gusto mag-negosyong pagkain, pero wala naman talagang
May heart kasi.
may heart. Oo. Kita mo eh, ramdam mo eh. Anyway, tara, day 2. Tara, Jace.
Let's go.
Sakit na tatawan ni Tito. Ay, may dala na akong apron. So, hindi na tayo magluluto sa atin. Ha? Ha? Jason.
Hi, Chef. Good morning, Chef. Oh, napasabak agad, Chef. Empanada.
Everyone gets an empanada, tamarind gravy.
You know.
Labor of love. Lechon manok. Yung leche flan. Ito siya. Family meal. Yay! Yung gumawa ng aming leche flan ito. Or, yung atin pala. Atin leche flan. Si JJ. Ilang years ka na dito sa Dubai?
3 years. Almost 4.
Ah. And then, sa Philippines, pastry chef ka na?
Hindi po. Bagong graduate po ako din sa global po.
Ah.
Tapos, lagyan natin ako ng main course. Leche flan sa
Try it. Check that, it's already ready.
Try mo.
No flavor.
Put the sauce, brother. Sinigang gravy. Beef empanada. Lami. You ate 4? What?
Hey, small. Just start using the... Kami, kayo. Can we have some soup? Yeah, my belly's.
Now I have 3.
Now you can see. Nice, good.
Lami, bye.
This is super good.
That's good.
The chef gave some good advice to our other chefs here, and to this, even to this gentleman over here that was at first not smiling and now smiling already. You struck a chord, man. Yeah.
What was the advice?
I don't know, random stuff, life. So yeah, he's ano, what's it in English? May silbi naman siya. He has a purpose.
I have no choice. I have 2 hungry kids at home.
Oh well, it's good sound advice.
This is the best route to do one by one based on the location. Yeah. The other team is doing Bergman and Karama. If somebody doesn't answer, you can go into the building and you can drop it at their room door and take a picture.
Kaya, can I ask? So you have 11 drivers
Yeah.
to deliver 240, and so every driver has 10.
No, so some drivers have more. So the highest delivery today is Dira with 71 drops. And that's with our team, with our driver, he's doing that. And then the other locations have anywhere between 5 drops to 36 drops.
And some are volunteers, right?
Some are volunteers.
Yeah.
So, for example, Edrington, who's sponsoring this,
Yeah.
they have 3 cars with volunteers. You guys are part of the volunteering team.
Right.
And then we have another 2 volunteers that have joined us that are outsourced.
All right.
And the rest is by us.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you for
Desperate na kami. Isang gabi lang sama.
Salamat sa music ng chef.
Chef, thank you, Chef. Thank you po. Thank you so much. See you again. See you again.
Boys, salamat kayo. Mga tanan na ito diya.
Kamusta naman?
Ako pala si Joel. Nakasama ko sila. Nagluto kami ng bulalo empanada.
Aaron.
Aaron.
Siya yung gumawa ng gravy natin. Inayos nila.
Solid yan.
Oo. Inayos nila kaya sobrang ganda ng consistency ng gravy. Dahil yung napansin ko dito sa work ethics nila, walang shortcut. Walang shortcut. Parang
Hard work beats talent.
yeah,
Yun.
tama yan. Tama yan.
Sabi ko natutunan yan sa mentor ko.
Oo.
5 years na kami na magkasama.
5 years. Parang araw-araw may bago kong matutunan sa kanya. Bago. Oh, no. Okay, take care of that. Okay. Ready.
Alright, hopefully we can do it again in 2 weeks now. Yeah?
See you in 2 weeks again.
Yeah, sure.
We'll do it.
So, siya yung navigator, tapos sila yung call center. Siya yung tatawag, 10, pero lahat sa Satwa area, so lahat sa isang neighborhood lang. Okay. Wish us luck, guys. Parang hindi naman mahirap, kasi kasi ikaw kasama ko eh. Kung si Camille kasama ko, nag-away na kami. Pa kami nag-start mag-deliver. Yung una nating, ano pangalan niya?
Chrisley.
Ha?
Chrisley.
Babae.
Opo.
Pilipina.
Yes po.
Chrisley, ano bilid?
Chrisley Cruz.
Cruz. Ilang taon? Wala nakasabi. Okay. So nakasulat na dyan, pangalan, nationality.
And then contact lang.
Walang allergens.
Wala.
Okay. Sige. Si Jason pala okay na navigator. Ba't ikaw nasasama sa akin pag nag-long drive ako? Iiwan ko na si Camille.
Patay.
Sumagot na si Kuya. Si Madam.
Ate.
Si Ate.
Pagbaba natin siya, tawagan natin.
Diretso lang po. Right lane lang tayo.
Si Chef nga sabi niya, nung nabasa niya daw listahan sa mga nag-sign up. Sabi ni Chef Roland na meron daw siya mga at least 20 na kilala.
Talaga?
Tapos he felt so bad.
Right siya.
Hello po. Yes po. Good afternoon.
Chrisley.
Si Chrisley Cruz po ba ito? Yes po. Okay po. Ano po ito sa family meal po? Magde-deliver po kami ng food. Okay po.
Dito na tayo.
Andito na po kami sa baba.
Dadalhin niyo po ba sa taas o baba po? Sige po, baba na.
Okay po.
Kuha na natin ng pagkain.
Lalaki siya.
Kaya nga, nakala ko babae.
Baka ano.
Hi, Kuya.
Hello sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, enjoy kayo.
Thank you.
Salamat po. Thank you.
Ito. Ikaw kayo kakain?
Ako po. Ako po yung nagkapunan yan.
Okay. Empanada.
Okay.
Tapos may leche flan tayo.
Okay.
Tapos lechon manok.
Okay.
Tapos yung...
Salamat, chef, ha. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Ngayon mo yan kainin mamaya.
Siguro kayo na po.
Ngayon na. Okay.
Sakto, lunch na lunch.
Thank you.
Thank you boss ah.
Ganda.
One down.
One down night to go. Made his day. Tapos inabangan niya talaga yung vibe.
Stig.
Astig.
Next, New Era Building, Jonalyn Plaza.
Okay po.
Anak ko po.
Sige po.
Ano po kulay po na sasakyan?
Puti.
Kulay white po. Thank you. Hello, brother. Good afternoon. Good. We're calling from the family meal.
Okay.
Yeah, we're up. In 2 minutes, we're outside your building.
Okay.
Okay. All right. See you.
We'll talk you again.
Here you go. Family meal. Enjoy.
Hello.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Hi. Let's just get the back. Here you go. Enjoy. Thank you. Bye. Oh, that's nice. Grabe na. Yung ngiti niya. Genuine ang ngiti. Tapos yung palakad siya. Tapos parang girl na nililigawan. Yung girlfriend mo dati. Tapos tumalikod.
Salamingan pa.
Kinikilig.
Oo.
Ganun.
Ano?
Kinikilig.
Oo, sa pagkain. Yung power ng pagkain. Okay, next. Ha? Sige. Sige. Ito po. Okay, enjoy kayo.
tayo, chef. So,
Ikot tayo.
lang po. Hindi ko lang ma-reach yung ano. Eh, wala pa lang what hotspot kung po. Kaya pag nasa-search.
Wala.
Wala, chef.
Tama, Jace.
Opo, tama ko diretso.
Nangingibago ako na pagbigay mo ng package or ng box na God bless mga tao dito. Kasi dito sa Dubai, masyadong mabilis yung buhay. Tapos ito nga, dahil sa sitwasyon ngayon, parang bumagal yung buhay. Tapos, yun, na-appreciate natin yung mga malilit na bagay.
G3, tara.
G3.
Sa likod dyan. Ito tayo, chef. Ayun. 2.
Hello po. Good afternoon. Para kay Sir Romel. Kasi wala pa kasi siya. Para kay Sir Romel. Salamat po.
Tapos na magiging delivery rider for today.
Okay, sige. Thank you.
Chef.
Thank you.
Experience, grabe
Thank
po.
you.
Thank you, thank you.
Chef, thank you po. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, bye-bye.
Chef.
Right. Okay. That was really tiring, but in a very, very rewarding way. Also, parang it's such a humbling experience because yun nga, you get to feel or you get a little glimpse of what people are going through, but at the same time you also feel their smile and their happiness. And we're so lucky that we're chefs or we're cooks, that we can somehow make a difference and change people's, not lives, but change people's mood. Give them somehow, I guess when your mood is good, you can be a little bit more hopeful, and when you're hopeful, you have more strength. It's been a great 2 days, and yeah, amen.